Hey guys, today I'm going to install the specific brake pads for my Dura-Ace carbon wheels. These brake pads are proprietary pad compound for carbon fiber rims. They are designed for Shimano and Sram brake sets. If you have carbon rims, you need specific brake pads. This is very important because some brake pads may contain ceramic compounds that can damage the braking surface of your carbon rims. So make sure you're using the right brake pads suitable for carbon wheels. However, I ran into a small fitment issue. The fitting of these brake pads on my Dura-Ace brake sets is very tight that I couldn't slide them in completely. So what I do is to remove a thin layer on the sides of the pads with my dremel. Now the pads go in smoothly without any issues.